In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send attachments in Yahoo Mail. We'll start on your web browser. Go to yahoo.com. At the top right, select Sign In, then enter your account credentials to access your inbox. Once you're signed in, look to the top right and click the Mail icon to open Yahoo Mail. Inside your mailbox, head to the top left and choose Compose to start a new message. In the To field, type the recipient's email address carefully to make sure it goes to the right person. Next, add a clear subject so the recipient knows what the attachment is about. In the large message area, type your email. A short explanation of what the file is and why you're sending it helps your recipient understand the context right away. Now let's attach your file. Below the message area, click the attach icon. It looks like a paper clip. You'll see choices for where to pull your file from. If the file came to you in a recent email and you want to forward or reuse it, choose Attach File from Recent Emails. Yahoo will show a list of recent attachments you've received, so you can pick one without downloading it again. If the file is saved on your device, choose Attach Files from Computer. A file picker window opens. Browse to the folder that contains your document, image, or other file. Select the one you want to include, and then click Open. As the file uploads, you'll see it appear beneath the subject line or in the attachment area. The file name and size will display so you can confirm you selected the right item. Keep in mind that Yahoo Mail supports common file types and enforces a total attachment size limit, so very large files may not upload. If your connection is slow, give the upload a moment to complete before sending. When everything looks good, the recipient, subject, message, and attachment, go ahead and click Send. Yahoo will process the upload and deliver your message with the attachment to your recipient. If the attachment was large, it may take a moment to finish sending, so don't close the tab until you see confirmation that the email has been sent. That's it. You've successfully composed a message, added an attachment either from your recent emails or from your computer, and sent it on its way in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to review a specific part of the process.